That's where Dover looks like. These might be older logic, actually. I think they are. I think they are.
Get two for me as well.
Have a nice day.
Sure.
I think it's going. That's lighting up. Yes, it is. I believe these might be relay logic. No, they might actually be Montgomery Miprom. I actually think they are Miprom. Jesus, these things ride rough. I'm very curious what's down this hall. Nothing. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Don't go nowhere yet. All right, we'll go down back to 1. Looks like there's a cafeteria. Sundays, they have an ice cream store. Pretty nice. They're both here at the first floor. There they are. We'll watch them both close. Anyway, there the one goes, there the other goes. And that will be it.